It's April 1st, 2008. Large thunderstorms rolling through. Lightning's pretty incredible if you can catch it. It's being really picky. It doesn't want to show me its any more bolts for some reason. Ooh, we're having some good flare-ups now. Looks like Brattleboro's getting hammered. It's coming down our way. Even more. Traffic on 91 is still going up around. I think there might be a fire call pretty quick here for a lightning strike. I saw it hit over near Lewis and Willie's house, but I'm not sure. There we go. We had a nice one there. Waiting for a good lightning bolt to come around. These are the storms I love to see. Fortunately, this camera's a bitch and doesn't like to collect the light too well. If I had a better camera, probably be a little bit more easier. Seems to want to be in that direction right now. I don't know why. I hear some thunder coming. Highway's pretty active. I got the oh yes! Woo! I hope that one caught on camera. That was kick ass. That was kick ass. Ah, shit, we just got a fire call. Maybe. There's the thunder. Very nice. Oh. It's gonna be a lot of fire calls tonight. Battery's about to die on me here, but I really do want to continue to record this. We'll have a video camera, so I don't know. There was a good one right there. Still got about 5 minutes of film left. Hands are pretty cold. I've been out here for about 20 minutes watching the thunder. There's thunder. Lightning's gonna come up pretty quick here. Come on, show me the money.